Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. This is your sacred space of healing and nourishment. This meditation is created especially for you to restore balance in your body, calm in your mind, and strength in your spirit. Find a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down, whatever feels most supportive right now. Gently close your eyes and begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and a long, soft breath out. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you are holding tension: the shoulders, the face, the jaw, the belly, or the hips. Just relax them consciously. Take a deep breath in and out. With every exhale, allow yourself to soften. You don't need to fix anything right now. Just allow yourself to receive. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel yourself arriving fully in this moment. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Let it become slow, steady, and natural. With every inhale, silently say, I receive healing and positivity. With every exhale, silently say, I release stress and negativity. Inhale, I receive healing and positivity. Exhale, I release stress and negativity. Let this rhythm gently balance your nervous system, your hormones, and your heart. Now imagine a warm golden light above your head. This light carries pure healing energy. As you inhale, this light flows into your body, into your head, your throat, your heart. It moves into your chest and lungs, bringing calm to your breath and peace to your emotions. Now the light flows into your belly, your digestive system, your womb space, your reproductive organs. Feel this light gently restoring balance, soothing, nurturing, revitalizing, and reviving. If there is any discomfort, pain, or fatigue in your body, imagine this golden light surrounding it with love. Your body is wise. Your body knows how to heal. You're simply giving it the space to do so. Now, place one hand on your heart and one hand on your lower belly. Feel the connection between your heart and your womb, between your emotions and your intuition. Silently repeat, I honor my body's rhythm. I trust my inner wisdom. I allow balance to flow through me. Let these words gently settle into every cell. Now listen to these affirmations. You may repeat them silently or aloud. I am in tune with my body's natural cycles. My hormones are finding their perfect balance. My mind is calm, my heart is light, My body is strong. I deserve rest, care, and nourishment. Every cell in my body vibrates with health and vitality. Let these affirmations become your truth. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice how your body feels, maybe softer, calmer, and lighter. Offer gratitude to yourself for taking this time, for choosing your well being, and for honoring your feminine energy. Take a deep breath in and gentle exhale. When you feel ready, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, and now softly open your eyes. Namo Shakti.